quality is better.
Alright. Did you hear about the new camera coming out with 42 megapixels? It's a cell phone.
Let's look at this.
Yeah.
42 megapixels. That's like.
With optical zoom.
Wow. Optical zoom?
I don't know what that means, but yeah.
They're kind of zoomed outward like this.
Oh, I suppose. I think it's a Lumina. I don't know if it's a Windows phone or what.
Sounds like Nokia.
Yeah, 42 megapixels.
42 megapixels is almost 3 times better than our camera at home, our good one.
I forget what each picture is like. 8 megabytes or more. Unless it's in RAW format, then it's like 42 megabytes per picture. That'll eat.
Get your phone and put it next to mine. I think mine has, yours looks nicer, but when they actually explode, mine shows the detail of them better.
Yeah. Well, because looks like mine's brighter, so each individual thing's blurring out the others.
I don't know what mine's focusing on now.
Oh, I didn't even hit focus.
Yeah, well, that's the consensus.
Yeah.
My phones are a little bit sharper, but makes it looks brighter.
Did you turn your brightness down on your display?
Probably because that phone has security.
Right.
Like, right. Let's just end that.
Yeah.
Hey, try to.
No.
You're videotaping the whole thing?
Yep. I actually videotaped all of it last year. I was
you probably
late
had,
for this one.
like one view that was yours halfway through?
What?
You put it on Facebook?
YouTube. I linked to it on Facebook.
Probably had one view.
Probably.
And it was you making sure that it went.
Probably.
Hello, YouTube. Hello, Nick. This is me. That's me.
Can't
Back there.
Can't see anything.
That's how I sing really low.
Oh.
What words were that?
I don't even remember.
Some Bible thing.
Just some bluegrass band. I don't even know if it was a bluegrass. I think it was just a barbershop quartet thing. What was the word burn, maybe? Burn. I don't know.
I think it was Park Hills Overpass.
No, you did that 2 years ago. Did you do it 2 years in a row? Because I watched it on the Overpass 2 years
It
ago.
was Bismarck or POS.
Were you in DC last
Because
year?
I remember that. DC was 3 years ago.
Oh.
What do you mean it was awesome? We didn't even... Oh yeah, it was. I was thinking the New York ball dropping.
They haven't done any like the cannonball ones. You know, the really small ones that just super loud.
I like the ones that blow up and then they go out like spiders.
Yeah, I like the
individual ones.
I like
They probably cost like
I like the
$80
smoke.
for one shot.
like those.
At least $40 a pop, I would assume.
I have no idea.
I remember back in the day we looked at some big ones and thought about buying one. Like, no way.
Well, for like these, I think you have to have a license for it or something. Like I don't know if you could just go to Barefoot Village and buy these. Maybe you can. I don't know. I haven't gone somewhere for years. I haven't even bought bottle rockets in forever. Yeah, we do miss pretty much most of the groundworks from here.
Well,
That's
never
fine with
seen
me.
the groundworks.
Yeah, I mean you can't see
Every
them from the
year we've seen
overpass.
these, we've never seen the groundworks, and really it's not a whole lot going on.
Even as kids watching them in Fredericktown, we never watched the groundworks because we were always outside of it.
Remember in Jackson
Yeah,
when we ran around like this?
trying to
because-
catch them.
Because the flames were falling down.
No, we were trying to catch the pieces. No, we were trying to catch the pieces of the fireworks when they exploded.
So then we tried just doing this and let them touch us so we could burn our arm.
Yeah.
We weren't so distant.
It wasn't our finest moment.
Yeah, but I remember being so tired and we were in good shape.
Yeah.
We like ran as fast as we could, just chunk through the air like this so we could burn ourselves.
Oh, I like that
Yeah,
one.
see,
That's like
I got
fireflies.
talking
Oh, I thought you just meant like the Sideshow Bob hairdo ones.
about. No, like one to each individual and goes out and
Oh, okay. Oh, did that explode on the
yeah,
ground?
looks like it exploded on the ground. Hopefully nobody died.
That would suck.
See that explode on the ground? Wow, that's bright.
I mean, I wonder what kind of quality control these go through. I'm guessing not.
They're probably like, yeah, this gunpowder looks like it's even.
I don't even
So
know.
ship it.
I mean, oh, that's nice.
It's
an-
grand finale.
Already? Nah. It's only been going for like 10 minutes.
Okay, the same one over and over. You gotta switch it up.
See, yeah, that's the one I thought you meant. I like those
I
too,
like
but
those, yeah.
not as good as that Firefly one.
Remember in Bismarck when we saw some and it looked like hearts and stuff? Yeah, those are cool.
I like the delay.
I wish that
Oh, look at
would
that.
explode.
There's a lantern up there.
Yeah. See that lantern? Yeah, I thought it was a burning ball of gas, miles and miles.
Boomba, with you, everything's gas.
Trillions and trillions of miles away. That doesn't work.
Over there,
Yeah.
the strobe light. Oh, that's a big one. Could you imagine if one of those blew up on the ground? There you go.
Yeah, those are cool.
Yeah, they haven't done any shapes.
Yeah, like in Bismarck, they actually made like hearts. And
Yeah, I remember that now.
and actually, ever since then, I've never seen it again. Maybe they're like prohibited in the United States. No
Yeah.
making shapes in the sky.
No.
Because hearts in some cultures can be offensive.
Maybe the Lucky Charms guy sued them. No hearts, stars, horseshoes, clovers, and
balloons.
blue moons, pots of golden rainbows, and the red balloon.
Blue moons.
Blue moons. Clovers and blue moons. Yeah.
That's dumb, but I've always wondered why I couldn't sing it.
Well, something, stars and horseshoes, and the red balloon. There is a balloon, but it's at the very end.
Hearts, stars.
Oh.
How long did it take you to learn that?
I don't know.
Did you look it up?
Probably. Yeah, I might have been filming like over the top of this for the past 5 minutes. I just looked down.
Stars and horseshoes. Oh man. those are nice.
Clovers and blue moons, pots of gold and rainbows, and the red balloon. I think that's how
Hearts,
it goes.
stars and horseshoes, clovers and blue moons, pots of gold and rainbows, and the red balloon.
I think that's how it goes.
Oh,
Because there are no blue balloons.
I just never wanted the word balloon.
Oh, you didn't? I thought they said blue balloons.
No, I just said balloons.
Oh.
Hearts, stars and horseshoes, clovers and balloons.
Oh, okay.
Pots of gold and rainbows and the balloons.
Balloons everywhere.
There's a new balloons at the end.
Right. Yeah, blue moons. Because they do. They're the crescent moon.
Yeah, the crashing down there is not very loud.
Not at all.
Maybe they all burned up already.
They might have.
Had two things look like they exploded on the ground. It's really sad because that's where I take me and Dave and Corey Henry are.
Really?
Yeah, all burned up.
That's sad.
Uh-huh.
Were they here last year at this time? Where'd they watch them at?
We watched it on PLS in Bismarck.
Oh.
We already discussed this.
Yeah, I didn't hear where.
Yeah. Oh. Thought it was gonna be cooler than that. I got a zit on tobacco night.
That's not
Oh,
fun.
crap. Aw.
You sure it's like
Might
not,
be a bite. We're just gonna say to bite. Probably by like a big spider.
I read on the internet that if you have a bug bite,
Barnacles.
if you run, no, not like that, just like a mosquito bite or something. If you run a spoon under hot water for like 30 seconds, and then put the spoon on your bite, it's supposed to kill the protein that causes the itching, so it won't itch anymore. I haven't got to try it out yet though.
And nothing of mine ever itches.
Like mosquito bites don't itch ever?
Maybe like very little bit, but
On my feet they do, like right around my sock area. Ooh.
right in the sock area on your feet.
Well, I mean like
Pretty sure
my
that
ankles.
sock's covered in the tail.
whatever. Where the sock edge is, the edge of my sock. No, where it comes up on my ankle. Is that the grand finale?
Wow.
Look at that. They should have one that like goes off like an American flag.
Yeah.
That would be really tough.
Too bad they prohibited shade.
Yeah, I know, right? General Mills.
Yeah, it should actually be like mandatory that every city that has a fireworks show has to buy an American flag firework.
Right. 50 stars, 13 stripes. Just do them all
And
at the same
it has
time.
to look perfect and stay in the air for 16 and a half seconds and wave.
And wave.
With the flagpole too.
Oh man.
Like that. That could be the flagpole. That
Right.
thing just keeps going. But it'd probably have to be silver. I've never seen a silver firework.
I don't know if I have.
Maybe you can just mix like purples and whites. That's kind of close. I used to be really immature at this.
With these?
Yeah, every time there was a green one, I used to go, woo! I bet I was an annoying person growing up.
Yeah.
But you did it too.
Well, I'm not saying I wasn't. I was just agreeing you were. That was a big one.
That was a big one. I felt that one.
They haven't done the cannonball ones though. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah, the ones that just go up and like you don't know anything sound thing.
Right. They don't make a.
Boom!
Yeah, it's just a loud noise. They don't even have
Yeah,
any
it's a
lights.
grenade.
Right.
You just see something really small go.
I mean, you
and
feel
like,
it.
oh,
Feel it in your
it didn't work,
bones.
and then I go,
Right. Something like that.
I'm trying to think of the fastest way out of here. I'm gonna go to Teddington.
You're probably right.
I'm not going out of here.
No.
That was a stupid day.
Was it anything blocked off getting over here?
No. It's like a war down there. It's all
Yeah.
red and has blood and stuff.
Speaking of Rockets red glare, do you think Dwight Howard's going to end up on the Rockets?
Yes.
I say
He's dug his hole too deep in Los Angeles.
I say good riddance. We had him. We didn't win with him. Get somebody else. Ooh, that's
Yeah,
cool.
what did it kinda like?
That's a neat one.
He doesn't want to be there. He's
Right.
already exercising his will to leave after 1 year.
Yeah.
Lakers are too proud. They shouldn't even consider that.
Yeah. They're not going to beg.
They shouldn't have more chance.